Sometimes, a dirty windscreen can make driving frustrating and even unsafe, especially during bad weather or nighttime. Finding the best windscreen cleaner for cars can help improve visibility quickly and keep your glass streak-free. Whether you drive daily in busy city traffic or take long trips, having a reliable cleaner simplifies maintaining a clear view. In this video, we'll review the best windshield cleaner. By the end, you'll know exactly why this windshield cleaner is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. The astroai windshield cleaner tool is a smart and practical solution for drivers who struggle with streaky, hard-to-reach car windows that reduce visibility, especially during night driving or in foggy conditions. Cleaning the inside of a windshield can often be awkward and uncomfortable, but this all-in-one kit makes the process quick and effortless. It comes complete with 4 upgraded microfiber pads, a 60 ml spray bottle, and a storage bag, giving you everything needed for efficient cleaning. The telescoping handle, 15.9 to 21 inches, and 180 degrees rotating head allow you to easily reach corners of the windshield without bending or straining, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. The enhanced microfiber pads are highly absorbent, durable, and easy to attach in seconds, ensuring a streak-free finish every time. In real-world use, it works perfectly for removing fog, dust, and smudges from windshields, side windows, and even mirrors, improving overall driving safety. It's also versatile enough for cleaning household windows or hard-to-reach glass surfaces. Key advantages include easy handling, compact storage, reusable pads, and wide compatibility with vehicles like cars, SUVs, RVs, and more. While you may need to pair it with a quality glass cleaner for best results, this tool delivers excellent convenience and efficiency. Ideal for drivers, car enthusiasts, and anyone who values clear visibility, the astroai windshield cleaner tool is a must-have addition to any car cleaning kit. Thanks for watching the video.